Are you in the job search process looking to leverage LinkedIn to help you land that next great opportunity? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share very helpful tips to ensure that you are able to land a job through LinkedIn. First, let's walk through why LinkedIn is so powerful in your job search. This will help you understand why LinkedIn is the #1 place to go to land your next opportunity. So think about when you're searching for something on Google and you're typing in what should I do for XYZ? Think about a hiring company going to LinkedIn and typing in some keywords to identify you as the professional for their next opportunity. So think of LinkedIn as that powerful search engine where the hiring companies, recruiters are leveraging to find you, and they are typing in words to identify your profile. This is super critical to understand. It took me a little bit of time to fully understand. When I fully understood, so I was a job seeker in the past, yet when I turned around and changed my career path to a recruiter, that's when I understood how powerful LinkedIn is for the job seeker. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be posting a video every week to help you with your career and also land a great opportunity. Let me tell you a quick story so it can all come together. About 10 years ago, I was leveraging LinkedIn to search for my job. I didn't know if my next opportunity would come from there. But when a recruiter reached out to me directly, I asked him, "How did you find me?" He said, "I found you through searching on LinkedIn." And I just couldn't understand what he meant by that until I turned into a recruiter. So I came from working in the corporate world to now working as a recruiter, but also helping others like yourself land a great opportunity. I'm also a career success coach. And as time has went on, LinkedIn has continued to increase their presence in the marketplace, has continued to attract hiring companies to use their tool. So they are investing a lot more time, energy into finding you, into typing in, searching for you. So please use LinkedIn and put efforts into optimizing your profile. And I have another video for you in which gives you 5 great tips to keep in mind to ensure that when someone searches for you, your profile looks attractive. Now that you know, LinkedIn is that huge search engine where the hiring companies, recruiters are searching for you. They're typing in keywords. That's what we're going to get into next. They are typing keywords to identify your LinkedIn profile and yourself as a great candidate for them to reach out to. So let's go through what keywords are, why it's important to ensure that you are optimizing your LinkedIn profile so that way you can be searched for and you can show up in search results. So, which keywords are recruiters and hiring companies searching for? Well, you know how they write the job descriptions? Whatever is a requirement in the job description, they are looking to identify that in your LinkedIn profile. So try to give them some of those words. So that way, when they are typing, searching for you, let's say you are a product manager, go to market, let's say you're in finance, analytics, let's say you are in sales, business development, your sales success. Ensure you are incorporating some of the requirements that you're seeing in those job descriptions. Because again, what hiring companies are looking for and recruiters, and I know this because I'm a recruiter myself, they are looking for the alignment. Job description and the skill set that you have. So make it easier for them. You know, when you're searching on Google, again, you are looking to identify the information that can help you with your question. If you see a search result that says or answers your question right away, you click on it right away. So think of the recruiter, hiring company. They're searching. They are hoping that there is a great profile and a great person, professional like yourself, that is directly aligned to the job that they are hiring for. So make their lives easier. Add those keywords in your profile and help them click on you. Now, let's quickly talk through a mistake to avoid that I see quite a bit when I'm searching for great professionals as well. And when I'm helping my mentees, I am giving them the best strategies to get identified by recruiters more quickly, but also helping them with their preparation, ensuring they're optimizing every step of the job search process. Just released a course. Just wanted to quickly mention that too. I released a course that will help you fast track your LinkedIn profile, will help fast track the recruiters, hiring companies reach out to you. I will leave a link in the description. Please see it. It's amazing. It's helped so many candidates and mentees of mine really optimize and fast track their job search. You know, the job search could be so grueling, takes so much time. How can you decrease the time that you spend on your job search? It's making sure that you spend your time wisely. And one huge item is that LinkedIn profile. It will really, really help you if you put a little bit more effort and time into your profile, because it will provide the most impact for you. It will help those recruiters, hiring companies reach out to you more quickly. Now, getting back to that one mistake to avoid, try your best to not overwhelm whoever is reviewing your profile. What do I mean by this? Don't put paragraphs. Try to put bullet points underneath where your work experience is, where your summary section is, your about. Try not to put too much and space it out. Space it out where someone can quickly be able to read it and not skip over your profile. The one mistake that I sometimes see when I'm coaching my mentees, and of course, I'm trying to help them to the best ability that I can. But one of them is when I'm reviewing their profile, there are blocks of text everywhere. And as a recruiter and as a hiring company, hiring authority, they might not have so much time to go through the blocks of text, the big paragraphs, and so many words on the profile. They probably don't have as much time. So think through that when you are optimizing your LinkedIn profile. And again, my course, newly released. It is the best of the best. It's going to be the most efficient course that you go through. And I might throw in a bonus if you do purchase it to speak to myself. It'll be for a limited time only. I will help you get there faster. So please keep that in mind when you do purchase the course. My team will reach out to quite a few people, and I'll get on the phone, I'll get on a video call. I will help you. First, you have to go through the course, optimize, and then I will help you ensure that your profile can get picked up quickly by the hiring company and recruiter. So when you're looking at LinkedIn as the search engine, where again, they're typing and they're searching for those keywords in your profile to identify you for their opportunity, and you leverage my course to expedite your job search and to expedite them reaching out to you, that's when you will land a job through LinkedIn.